Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon G7X Mark II. Now, this camera is my vlogging camera of choice for anyone that wants to get a great vlogging camera for under $1,000. I actually use this for a week and a half if you want to check out our vlog week, where I went to Disney World, I went on a cruise, and this was my main source of vlogging, and I really enjoyed it. The camera angle is very wide. It has this beautiful flip out camera which just does very well in all types of lighting, which is very hard to find. And it focuses so quick. It just does a really good job of having that great quality overall. And if you want vlogging, this is going to be an amazing camera to go with. Now, I will say that the quality is great, the frame rate is great. I do 1080p at 60 FPS, which is what this video is shot in, as well as what I shot with this. And overall, the daytime quality shots were really good. But there are two things that I would say I would love to improve on this camera. First being that I would love to see a much better quality in terms of low light. I thought the low light quality was really great when it came to photos. However, when it came to videos, it was okay, but I could see where the Sony series is definitely a step ahead when it comes to the low light quality, as much as you get that in the mirrorless cameras that mirror these ones later on. Now, I will say this though, for the price, this does amazing for, again, that low light quality. It definitely does better than any camera that I have for smartphone cameras on the same trip when it came to that low light quality in video. It just was amazing and it handled it very well. So this will do better than a smartphone, but not maybe as good as a Sony. The other avenue where I really would say that it really could use some improvement is having an external mic. With an external microphone, this camera would easily be the best one under $1,000. However, if you have a very loud scenario or something along those lines, I would easily use my smartphone over this because it has external mic capability, whereas this one does not. All in all, I think if it would have had this, it would have been much better. But it's definitely something that I notice when using it, especially in a loud, noisy area where something like a car can pass by. I had to use my smartphone a couple of times instead of this just to get a better audio quality. And it's because my smartphones have external mic capability, whereas this one does not. So that's my biggest pet peeve about this camera. The battery life was great, but man, was the microphone probably the weakest part of this. If you could attach an external mic to this, I think it would have been a lot better, and I think it would have been even better than some of the Sonys at a much cheaper price point. So this normally goes for $799. However, right now it is on sale for $650, and throughout the holiday season, I'm sure you're going to be able to find some great packages. I left a bundle package over right now, which is $650. Really great package, and definitely worth the price. So if you want to vlog and get into YouTube, I think this is a really perfect vlogging camera. I think it's a lot better than your front-facing camera on most smartphones. The quality is just so much better than that, and you have real zoom, which is important when vlogging when you want to zoom into a subject. If you try to do that with a smartphone, it's not going to look as good. Trust me, I've tried it. So overall, that is my thoughts. If you want to get into vlogging, I think this is a great camera to start off with, and definitely the best one under $1,000. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.